Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have a capable keyboard and power. Start now by connecting it to power or PC. Once connected, locate the dedicated backlight key or the FN combo. Many models use FN plus F5 or similar. If you see a light icon, press it briefly to toggle. If nothing happens, open the bundled software or OS keyboard settings while the device is active. Make sure keyboard firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can prevent the initial lighting step from working properly. Now refine how it lights. Cycle through lighting modes so you see static, breathing, wave, or reactive behaviors. This helps identify the exact control method. Once you have a mode, adjust brightness with the dedicated keys or the app slider. Lower brightness saves battery, higher improves visibility. If your keyboard supports zones or per key color, use the software to map colors and set animation speed. Make sure to save profiles to onboard memory so settings persist after unplugging. Finish by saving your preferred profile to the keyboard's onboard memory so it stays active across devices. Test by unplugging and reconnecting. The lights should return. If lighting fails, reset the USB cable, try a different port, and reboot the host device. These steps fix most connectivity issues. Reinstall or update drivers and the keyboard app if needed. As a last resort, perform a factory lighting reset to clear conflicting profiles. This often restores default backlight functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.